Hey guys, a little information about your trig ratios. So there's a little acronym that I would like for you guys to always have in mind, and that is this: SO Ka Toa. All right, SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. If you're gonna remember this acronym, it's gonna go a long way for you, because sine is going to be the opposite divided by the hypotenuse. The cosine of an angle is going to be the adjacent side divided by the length of the hypotenuse. And the tangent of an angle is the length of the opposite side divided by the adjacent side to whatever angle you speak of. So in practice, it looks a little bit like this. So let's say I were asked to find the cosine of angle A. Right now, the cosine of angle A means, well, let me situate myself at angle A. All right, if I remember my acronym, so katoa, ka, meaning the length of the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. So the side adjacent to A is 25, right? In other words, the cosine of A, is going to be the adjacent side 25 divided by the hypotenuse, 65. So 25 65ths. That ratio is the cosine of A. And we can check it. 25 65ths. All right. Okay. And let's go ahead and try another one. So what if I were to find the sine of A? Okay, sine of A. So sine of A, again, I situate myself at A. It all depends on if I'm looking at angle A or angle B. So sine of A. The sine of A is going to be equal to the side opposite of A, because it's so, all right, so katoa, divided by the hypotenuse, all right? So the opposite side of A, the side opposite angle A is 27. So 27 divided by the hypotenuse, which is 45. 27 45ths is the correct answer. All right. And et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. That is how you find your trigonometric ratios. All right. What if we don't have a picture? Well, if you don't have a picture, what you're going to do is you're going to draw one. All right. So any right triangle can be labeled ABC. All right. So I'm going to label this. All right. Angle A, angle B. And I usually reserve the letter C for my right angle. All right. Now, if I label it like that, that means that this little side is going to be little a, this is going to be little b, and that's going to be little c. All right. This one, it looks like we're studying triangle HIJ. All right. HIJ. So if HIJ and it has J is my 90-degree angle. So there's J. All right. So I'm going to say HIJ. All right. Now it tells me IH, in other words, the hypotenuse, is going to measure 85. Okay, cool. JI is going to measure 77, and HJ measures 36. Okay, fantastic. What's the value of the tangent of I? The tangent of I. So again, I'm going to locate my spot I, and I'm going to say the tangent of I, well, tangent we learned, TOA, is the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. In other words, the tangent of I is going to be the opposite side, which is 36 divided by the adjacent side, the side right beside of it, but not the hypotenuse, the adjacent side, which is 77. So 36/77 is my best answer for that. And if I enter it with a calculator, let's see, 36/77. 36/77. And that would be my answer. And I would want to enter it as a decimal.